Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung TV and it's giving you an error 012 and you're trying to figure out what's going on and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, you might have gotten this error like when you're trying to download an app or something like that. And this is not an error that has anything to do with apps or anything like that, but the reason you might have gotten it when you're trying to download an app is because it needs to download a large amount of data. And because this 012 is basically a poor connectivity error. It's not connecting well. It's not getting a good download rate from its internet source. So to fix this, you really need to just troubleshoot your internet source. So you may need to, do the basic things that you would do if you're having internet issues, connectivity issues, in terms of resetting your router, disconnecting the TV from the wireless internet and reconnecting it, or trying to connect your television to a different internet source, or trying to move your router closer to your television. Things like that. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.